Hello everyone, welcome to Utkal Study Point. In this video, we will discuss daily current affairs of 9th and 10th December 2021. Let's start. First question: who has been appointed as the chairman of India Tourism Development Corporation recently? The right answer is Sambit Patra. BJP spokesperson Sambit Patra has been appointed as the chairman of India Tourism Development Corporation by the appointment committee of the cabinet. Next question: who has been appointed by the OA as an advisor to its strategic group? The right answer is Rajnish Kumar. OA has announced the appointment of Rajnish Kumar, the former chairman of State Bank of India, as its strategic group advisor. Next question: which of the following state government has announced the state's highest civilian award to Ratan Tata? The right answer is Government of Assam. Assam Chief Minister Himant Biswa Soren, on the occasion of Assam Divas, announced to confer the Assam Vaibhav Award, the state's highest civilian award, upon industrialist Ratan Tata. Next question: Geeta Gopinath will be the first woman deputy MD in which organization recently? The right answer is International Monetary Fund. Geeta Gopinath, chief economist at the International Monetary Fund, has been named as the fund's new first deputy managing director and with take over her new responsibility from January. Next question: which bank has tied up with USA International to empower women? The right answer is State Bank of India. State Bank of India has signed an agreement with USA International Limited for empowering women entrepreneurs by providing financial assistance. Next question: who has won the 7th Dr. M.S. Swaminathan Award? The right answer is V. Praveen Rao. Professor Jayasankar, Telangana State Agriculture University, Vice Chairman V. Praveen Rao has won the 7th M.S. Swaminathan Award. Next question: which minister launches the Delhi Dehradun corridor along with several other projects? The right answer is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi laid the foundation stone of 11 projects. This includes the Delhi Dehradun Economic Corridor, which will be built at a cost of around rupees 8,300 crores. Next question: Earth Station of Doordarshan Kendra inaugurated in? The right answer is Gorakhpur. Union Minister of Information and Broadcasting Anurag Thakur and Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath inaugurated Earth Station of Doordarshan Kendra at Gorakhpur. Next question: what is the name of India's biometric based processing system in airports? The right answer is Digi Yatri. Ministry of State of Civil Aviation General V.K. Singh said that the Airport Authority of India was working on the country's first financial recognition technology based biometric bonding system passengers at Varanasi, Pune, Kolkata and Vijayawada airports. Next question: in which state has the Union Minister of Ayush Sri Sarbanand Sonowal recently inaugurated a 50-bed integrated Ayush hospital? The right answer is Manipur. Union Minister Ayush and Port Shipping Waterway Sarbananda Sonowal inaugurated a 50-bed integrated Ayush hospital in Manipur through virtual mode and announced major initiative for development and promotion of Ayush industry in Manipur. Next question. Which of the following companies founder Pradeep Shah has been appointed as the chairman of National Asset Reconstruction Company? The right answer is Indian Asian Fund Advisor. Pradeep Shah, the founder of Asia Fund Advisor, has been appointed as chairman of National Asset Reconstruction Company. Next question. Which city plays host the to International Ambedkar Conclave 2021? The right answer is New Delhi. New Delhi to be host the International Ambedkar Conclave in 2021. Next question. Which private sector lender has launched a feature-rich savings bank product, Mitra Plus, for women? The right answer is Federal Bank. Private sector lender Federal Bank has claimed a feature-rich savings bank product for women. The savings scheme is called Mahila Mitra Plus and provides a self feature designed to make financial and investment easy for women. Next question. Which state chief minister has launched a web portal named Hamar Apna Budget and a mobile application prepared by State Finance Department? The right answer is Jharkhand. Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren has launched a web portal named Hamara Apna Budget and a mobile application prepared by the State of Finance Department. Next question. Who among the following has been appointed as the Chief Executive Officer of India Debt Resolution Company? The right answer is Sanjay Jain. Sanjay Jain has been appointed as the Chief Executive Officer of India Debt Resolution Company.